shit. It doesn't do anything.
It won't work like that. I put it on this link and then it just
Waiting for Bluetooth connecting.